back to the solder side. Today we've got this Mega Drive II. Now, according to this eBay listing that I'm going to put right here, this Mega Drive II powers on but doesn't display anything on the screen. So let's take it down to the floor and have a look. Okay, let's see what happens. So it looks like we get a power light, but nothing appears on the screen. Does the reset button work? No, nothing happens. Okay, so let's get it back on the bench, let's get it all undone, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so as we saw, there was nothing on the screen, so I think let's get this open and see what we can find. So it's looking a bit quite dirty, so I think I'll give this a clean. I can't see anything immediately wrong, so I think what I'll do is I'll clean up this and the game cartridge, make sure that that's all clean, and then I'll give it another go, but I might put it under the microscope after I've cleaned it just to check all the traces. So I'm going to use some 99% pure alcohol. Let's take it down to the floor and see what that's done. Okay, let's see if that's made any difference. Oh, we've got something. And it's gone again. Okay, let's try turning it off. Turning it back on. So we're getting a little more. Let's try unplugging back in. Ooh. Okay, well I still don't trust that, but we'll just see if it actually plays. Now it might be the controller I'm using, because I'm not using an official one, I'm using one of these. Yeah, no, it's not letting me use it, so I might have to buy a controller to test it properly, but I'm just going to see if I reset it, what happens. Okay, that's working straight away. Turn it off, turn it back on. Just want to keep double checking it so nothing happens. Good. Okay, well that seems to be coming back on now. Unfortunately I can't test the controller yet because I don't have any, and this one doesn't seem to work. Oh, actually yes it does. Well, the up and down do. Let's get it back up on the bench. Okay, what I'm going to do as well is I'm actually going to clean the casing because that looked a bit grim, so I'm going to put it back together, and then once it's back together we'll give it another little test to make sure after we've cleaned it. Okay, I guess let's give it one more go to make sure it still works. Okay, so let's see if it works. I also found a controller. It's not a genuine one, but it should work, so we can test it. There we go. So it all seems to be there. Unfortunately, I can't. There we go. It wasn't allowing me to do that a moment ago, but it seems to be there. But yeah, so it all seems to be working. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much.